Hello, welcome to another episode of Spotless Spaces, your go-to podcast for all things cleaning, hosted by me, Smitha Sahu, the owner of CleanNow Dubai. Today, we are discussing an essential yet often overlooked topic, how regular cleaning impacts the lifespan of your mattress. Joining us is Rajeev Nair, a mattress manufacturing expert with over 20 years of experience. Welcome to the show, Rajeev.
Thank you, Smitha. I'm glad to be here and discuss this important topic with your listeners.
Let's dive right in, Rajeev. Could you explain how regular cleaning can affect a mattress's lifespan, especially here in Dubai?
Absolutely, Smitha. Regular cleaning significantly extends a mattress's lifespan. It keeps the materials fresh and helps maintain the structure and integrity of the mattress. In Dubai's dusty environment, it's even more crucial. Dust, sweat, skin cells, all these accumulate in the mattress over time, causing it to deteriorate faster.
What are the detrimental effects of neglecting regular mattress cleaning?
Neglecting to clean your mattress can lead to a buildup of allergens like dust mites, which can cause allergic reactions. Additionally, sweat and skin cells can contribute to mold and mildew growth, making the mattress unhealthy to sleep on. Also, stains and spills can weaken the materials, affecting the comfort and support the mattress provides.
That sounds concerning. So how often should one clean their mattress, and what role does professional cleaning play in this?
Well, I recommend deep cleaning your mattress professionally at least once a year. Professional cleaning services like CleanNow use specialized equipment and cleaning solutions that effectively remove deep-seated dirt and allergens. They can also take care of stubborn stains and sanitize the mattress, something that's difficult to achieve with DIY cleaning.
That's very insightful, Rajeev. Lastly, could you share some tips for our listeners to maintain their mattresses between professional cleanings?
Rajeev, sure, Smitha. Regular vacuuming is a must to remove surface dust. Using a mattress protector can help prevent stains and spills from seeping into the mattress. Also, ensure to rotate or flip the mattress every few months to even out wear and tear.
Those are helpful tips. Thank you, Rajeev, for shedding light on how regular cleaning can extend a mattress's lifespan.
It was my pleasure, Smitha. Remember, folks, a clean mattress not only lasts longer but also provides a healthier sleep environment.
That's all for today's episode of Spotless Spaces. Join us next time as we continue our journey towards a cleaner and healthier living. Until then, keep it spotless, Dubai.